Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 23rd of October 2023. Let's starting with Forex Factory. As you can see, there's no news on this day, Monday. And next we go to Dixie. What's happening in Dixie? Just bear in mind that there's because of the fundamental news going on. We don't expect that it will move according to the Dixie prices, the gold. Normally they go in opposite in prices, so these days they may not do that. So be careful. However, look, this is the level of Dixie in 4 hour, and if it's broken, we expect further this level. And if it's respected to the upside, we'll see then it will be W pattern, right? And this W pattern can go up to here and the retest again here. So this is how what can happen in Dixie. Going to gold. Gold has touched the 2000 level, and this is the zone. It has rejected. It has been rejected from this 2000. It touched 1997. And it came back down, straight down. This is the as you can see, the rejection candle here, and in 4 hour as well. And now, what because of the news going on, as I said, now I can expect this market to further break this 2000 level and can go up to further levels. As you can see, always make sure you look for the levels and the consolidation in smaller time frame, and then possibly take a buy trade if you see the indication of buy trade. And that's the simplest thing you can do. However, these days, as I said, the levels, most of the levels and retracements are most of the sorry, that's a new set. There's noise. Right, the levels are not working. So be careful with that. If you go on the smaller time frame here, what we can see in smaller time frame. That if this level is broken, we can see this linked with the war. If the war situation gets better, then we can expect further move to the downside and further down. However, if it doesn't, then we can see the rejection from here from to the top side. So be careful whatever you do, and always look for confirmations, and stop loss is very important, and risk management. That's it for now from me, and I hope it's helpful and useful to you. I'll try to share my analysis, my screenshots of the levels and smaller time frames, especially in Telegram channel. So make sure you subscribe to Telegram channel if you want up-to-date information, because it's hard to give all the time with short videos. So I try to put one video a day, and that's I think enough. Right. So that's it. I'll leave it to you, and good luck. Have a good trading day.